Welcome back to knotrodgarage. This is a little time lapse. Obviously we're already into it, of us putting and reassembling parts together after the paint job. We're going to hang all the fenders, core support, and all that stuff, and actually get it running and on the road with headlights in this episode. So stay tuned. Here's a quick time lapse, and then there's more commentary after this.
Full car again. You somehow carried that over there with one arm, threw it on there like nothing. Pretty much. Boom. Gotta bolt a couple things up. We're getting there, Moving along. Looking good though. Here we are, once again after work, in the driveway, Buick Riviera. We got everything sorted out together, just set the timing. That was kind of a fiasco. But it's all timed, kinda. We gotta let it warm up first and then time it. But it's right there to where we can start it, run it. We got a couple of headlights put in it, fluids are filled. Need to double check the transmission fluid. Everything's good. We're going to take this to the gas station, go fill the tank with gas, and that's about it. We should be pretty good after this. As soon as Jimmy gets done putting this one bolt in the fender. No pressure.
Set, done.
All 5 of our viewers are watching you. Alright, go crank it. Let's start this thing. Let's see if we got a charging system. Timing light should tell us if we got charging. Can't see it on the camera, but I can see it. Go ahead. And we got 14.3 volts. I don't know if you can see the timing marks down in there. Right now, it might be a little high on timing. Let me drop this down a little bit. Oh yeah, we need fuel pump too. I was wondering why it's chugging. Why is it chugging? Because it has no fuel. Alright, let's get it some fuel here. Alright, let's do that again. Go ahead. Alright. Sounds good. Runs good. We need some lights out here. Alright, let's let it run for a few. Get it up to temperature, double check the timing, double check transmission fluid, and then we're gonna go for a ride. Be right back.
Going, everyone. Oh my god.
You should probably take it out of the case so you can hear us on the microphone. And just make sure you don't hit that little microphone icon on the screen, because that'll shut the microphone off.
Yeah, I didn't do that.
I did too. Screwed that one fucking video. These things sound good.
Hell yeah, it does.
Not a tick, not a tap, not a fucking knocka, nothing. We have no dash lights,
Holy fuck. That thing has some balls, bro. This thing fucking sick.
Rider.
I don't know, like some cup or something. Yeah.
Yeah, now tilt it up and come here. Oh yeah, boy. We got us a certified cruiser. Clean the windows at the gas station. Oh, certifiable.
Fuck crazy.
Undeniable. The brakes fucking work good, dude. Like it. Good job on that $1,000 find, Jimmy. The Eagle Eye 1970 Buick Riviera, $1,000. You got less than 2,000 into this thing total.
Smooth.
The tires have flat spots in them.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it.
It's been sitting for a minute. I think it's the first time this thing's driven anywhere in like probably 15 years. This has been sitting in that dude's garage getting eaten by rats. Probably not. We'll work on those. We'll work on some turn signals.
We're on a whole engine rebuild.
Dude, this thing's purring like a kitten. Dang, it's got a nice little rumble to it.
Hell yeah, it does.
It drives straight, nice and smooth.
Taking pretty much 2 gas pumps because we got to put it in the.
Fuck yeah.
Stays clean.
Yeah, boy. It's alive.
good. Came out really nice. Gotta get this fender paint matched. It looks really good though. Hitting it with the rear pump.